Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to automate course enrollment for e-learning institutes on WhatsApp. Let's suppose I am running a business of this online course and I am receiving many inquiries on WhatsApp. To automate the registration, I want to automate the entire process, and for this I have created a WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now with the help of this WhatsApp chatbot, whenever a user sends me a message, automatically the reply will be sent to this user based on the inquiry or the registration which they have asked for. Now if you want to learn the step-by-step process of how you can create this WhatsApp chatbot, then let me take you all to my screen. So here in this video, we are going to see how we can automate course enrollment for e-learning institute on WhatsApp, and for this I have created this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, and now we are going to test this once whether it is working fine or not. And for that I'm going to open my WhatsApp and I'm going to send some message like, "Hey, I want to register for your course." And then I have received this message, "Hi, welcome to Learn Smart Academy. Please choose the course you want to enroll in. I have three options: web development, digital marketing, and graphic design." Let's go with this web development, and you will see that I'm going to receive the question, "Please help us know your full name." So I'm going to send my full name to them. And then we are going to wait for the next reply. So here I have sent my name. Let's wait for the next reply, and here it is. It is asking me for my email address. So I'm going to write and send this message, and then let's wait for the next reply. It is asking me about my phone number. I'm going to send this message and let's wait for the next reply, and here it has sent me this personalized message. You can see that I have my name and it says, "Thank you, you are successfully enrolled. Your course starts on 20th October 2025. We'll send you further details soon." So this is how this WhatsApp chatbot is going to work, and you will see that I have added these details to my Google Sheet spreadsheet also. I'm going to open my spreadsheet here. And here we see that we have added all the details. The name was this, email address was shubh@pabblytudes.com, and the phone number was this. So here we have added all these details with the help of this Pabbly Connect integration. Now to learn how you can create this interesting WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, let's start creating this from the beginning. Here in this video, we are going to see how we can automate the course enrollment with the help of this WhatsApp chatbot which we have created using Pabbly Chatflow. And to visit Pabbly Chatflow, you simply need to write www.pabbly.com/chatflow in your browser. After browsing the website, we need to sign into our Pabbly Chatflow account. On the top right corner, you can see two options: sign in and sign up for free. Now before we sign into our Pabbly Chatflow account, let me quickly take you towards Pabbly community. So you can join this Pabbly community to connect with business owners, experts, and the Pabbly support team. You can share tips, ask questions, and get quick solutions to your automation challenges. You can stay updated on latest features and collaborate with thousands of users who help and support each other every day. Now if you want to learn how you can join this community, then please check out the link given in the description. Let's move back towards Pabbly Chatflow. Now after browsing the website, we need to sign into a Pabbly Chatflow account. Here, if you are an existing user, click on this sign in, and if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free, and this will give you 100 credits free on every month. As I'm an existing user, I'll go with this sign in. And here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'm going to click on this Pabbly Chatflow Access Now. And here it has taken me towards this dashboard. You can see the credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining, and the WhatsApp number added. Now here, to add your WhatsApp number, you simply have to click on this add WhatsApp number. You can use this WhatsApp Connect to connect your WhatsApp with this Pabbly Chatflow account, or you can use a manual token to connect your WhatsApp with Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you want to learn the step-by-step process of how you can do this, then please check out the link given in the description. Now to create a flow, on the left hand side where you can see all these options and features, we have to go towards the flows. We have also created dedicated videos on all of these features, and you can find these videos in the playlist on our YouTube channel. Now to create a flow, to create a WhatsApp chatbot, I'm going to open this flow. So let's open this. Here I have landed towards the flow builder. You can see the total flows, active flows, and inactive flows. To create a new flow, you simply need to click on this add flow button. So let's open this. Here I have landed towards this page from where I am going to start creating this WhatsApp chatbot, and the first box is this one. We have this box as trigger, and in the trigger event we have all these options like the keyword regex match, user start conversation, template selected, WhatsApp template delivered, contact added to contact list, custom field updated, and tag assigned. You can trigger this WhatsApp chatbot according to your choice and preference based on these options given below. I'm going to trigger this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of the keyword or the regex, which means whenever someone is going to message me, whenever the user is going to message me with a particular word or they have the inquiry, this chatbot is going to get triggered. With this keyword and the regex match, I have two fields, keyword and the regex. I'm going to enter the keyword like this first, and then I'm going to enter the regex also. So I have added the keyword as registration, and when a user send me a message like I want to enroll, I want to register, I want to take the registration of the course, so then this chatbot is going to get triggered. I'm going to enter one more keyword like this, enroll. And then I'm going to add this regex. So regex is like a smart search tool which helps chatbot identify different patterns of words and variables. So instead of listing out all the keywords, I'm going to enter the pattern of the regex like. Now this particular regex is going to trigger my WhatsApp chatbot. Here I have this keyword, here I have this regex. So if a user messages me and if the keywords are there present in their messages, only then this chatbot is going to get triggered. But with the help of this regex, any message, whatever they message me, it is not necessary that their message contains my keyword. This chatbot is going to get triggered with the help of this regex. Now here I have activated or triggered my WhatsApp chatbot. Now I have to send the message. If I open my WhatsApp, you can see that I have sent this message and then I received this reply. So how I was able to receive this reply? For that I'm going to open my flow and I'm going to click on the circle, drag and drop the circle, and then select my content type. I have this text button, media, list, single product, multi-product, single AI message, and the template. If you want to send an image, video, audio document, you can select the content type as that. If you want to send a message like this, message with the button, so the options, you can select this text button. If you want to provide many options, you can select this list. If you want to send a single product or multi-product, you can select this. If you want to send the AI message, you can use this single AI message, and the template is a pre-designed message format. So here I'm going to select it as text plus button, and then I'm going to send a message like, hi, welcome to Learn Smart Academy, please choose the course you want to enroll in, and then I'm going to add the buttons as I have 3 courses. I'm going to enter the course like. So here I have entered the course development, web development, digital marketing, and the graphic design, and then I'm going to ask the question. Now whenever someone is going to click on any of the buttons, the next message will be sent to them. Like here we have done in this chatbot. Here I have sent the first message and then I received the next message. As soon as this chatbot got triggered, I received this message and then I selected the course, and then I received these questions like, please help me know your name, your email address, and your phone number. And as soon as I provide all the details, I was being enrolled to this course. Now here you see that I have also added these details to my Google Sheet spreadsheet with the help of this Pabbly Connect integration. So I'm quickly going to complete this entire flow and I'm going to show you how this is done. So let me complete this flow first. So here I am done creating this flow. We have done till this much. We have created this message and created the buttons. Now as soon as someone click on any of the buttons, I am going to ask the question. Now what I have done on the left hand side where you can see all these options, I have already explained you this messages section. I will go towards the actions and then we have all these features here. So what I have done, I have simply drag and drop this ask question. I have entered my question and then I choose the contact custom field and then selected the format. Here as you can see that I have selected the contact custom field as full name and then I selected the format as text. You can increase or decrease the number of attempts. Now here I have created this contact custom field, and it is very important to understand that whenever you are asking any question, which means whenever you are going to use this question box, you have to create the contact custom field for that particular question so that you can save all the details sent by the user in your contact custom field. So how we are going to do this? On the left hand side where you can see all these options, I have to go towards the settings and then I'm going to open this contact custom field. But before you open any other feature in the same tab, please make sure that you save this. If you do not save your flow will be lost, your messages will be lost, and you will have to create from the starting. Now I'm going to open this contact custom field in a new tab. And I have landed towards this contact custom field. If I scroll down, you can see all the fields which I have created. To create a new field, you simply need to click on this add more field and then you have to name it and then save it. That's it. What you can do, you can also click here to copy the field name. You can see this. I have clicked over here and contact custom field copied to clipboard. If I open my flow and I paste that whatever I have copied here, you will see that I get this dollar full name. So this is what is creating my personalized messages. If I open my WhatsApp, you can see I was able to receive this. So with the help of this contact custom field only, I was able to create this personalized message. Or also what you can do, you can save the details of whatever is sent by the user to this contact custom field and then you can send that to your Google Sheets or any other CRM. We are going to understand this further. So here, this is the use of this contact custom field. In the similar manner, I have asked the email address and the phone number. I have selected the contact custom field as email which I have created, and for the phone number as phone number which I have created, selected the format for the email as email and for the phone number as any, and then I have sent all these details with the help of this API request. Now on the left hand side itself, you can see this API request. What I have done, I have simply drag and drop this and then I have clicked on this webhook URL and then this box opened in front of me. From the API request, I have selected the method or the request as post and then I have opened the Pabbly Connect workflow. Now to open this Pabbly Connect workflow, you have to go towards this all Pabbly apps, click on this Pabbly Connect and you will be landed towards the dashboard, from where you have to click on this create workflow, select your workflow builder, and as soon as you do this, this box will appear in front of you of trigger and action. In the trigger application, you have to select it as webhook by Pabbly and you will be provided with a webhook URL. So I have simply copied this webhook URL and I have pasted that over here and then I have created the key and the value to this key. So here first I have named the key as name, email and phone number, and then I have selected the contact custom field. So for the name we have this full name, for email we have email, and for the phone number we have created a contact custom field for as phone number. And after I do this, I have simply clicked on this test and the test data was sent to my Pabbly Connect workflow. And as soon as I do this, I selected my action application as Google Sheets and then I made connection, selected the spreadsheet. This is the spreadsheet which I have created and then I have mapped all the details like what I have received from this webhook by Pabbly response, the response which I have sent from here, the test data. Now it is important to understand that as soon as you click on this test, please make sure that you save this. If you do not save this, your data will not be sent to other CRMs or the Google Sheets. So here, this is how I have used this API request. I'm going to open once for you. So here the name of the key is name, email, phone, and then the contact custom field. I've clicked on this test. The test data was sent and then I simply clicked on this save. So here, this is how we have created and sent the data from this API request to my workflow and then to my Google Sheets spreadsheet. Now after this, I finally selected the text button and then I created this message, thank you, and then I have entered the name, you are successfully enrolled, and then I have entered the date of when this course will get started. Over here, I have used this dollar full name so as to create this personalized message. So this is how we have created this WhatsApp chatbot. Now before we test this once again, let's name this flow 2. automate course enrollment for e-learning institute on WhatsApp. I am going to save this flow and you will see flow updated successfully. It is important to understand that we have to toggle on this button. If we do not toggle this on, the flow will remain inactive. So we have to keep this active to send the messages, and then we have to save this flow. If we do not save the flow, all the messages will be lost. So here I am going to send the message like, I want to register for your course. Let's wait for the reply. It has sent me the reply. I'm going to go with this digital marketing and it is going to ask me for the full name. I'm going to write, send this message, and it is going to ask me about my email address, and I'm going to write and send this message, and it is going to ask me about my phone number. So I'm going to write my phone number as and send this message. Then it is going to send me this message, thank you, and whatever name I have sent them, they have sent me a personalized message. Now I am going to open my Google Sheet spreadsheet, and here you can see instantly we have added all the details. So this is how we have created this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, and we have sent the data from this Pabbly Chatflow WhatsApp chatbot to my Google Sheet spreadsheet using this automation workflow which we have created with Pabbly Connect. So I hope you liked this video and understood this video very well. You can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting WhatsApp chatbot. If you have any doubts, you can comment down the video below. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any questions, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the website given over here. Also, you can try Pabbly Chatflow for 100% free and create your own WhatsApp chatbot.